Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add green color cross-out on your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option and here you will find this strike through icon. Click here and active, and this right sidebar here you will find this left arrow. Click here and this color and transparency dialog box now showing here. Now drag your mouse over and select your text you want to cross out. This default yellow color showing here. This is green color. If you did not find here green color, select this one and now click on this custom color option and choose your green color here, color box, and see this. Now as many as text you will draw and it will automatically make green color. Also you can see this color opacity and see this. Is in this way you can cross out all of your text or a specific text, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.